In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create recurring event in Outlook Calendar. Let's start by opening your browser and searching for Microsoft Outlook, then head to the official Outlook website. If you're already signed in, great. If not, log in with your account and complete any verification prompts. This ensures your calendar syncs correctly across your devices. Once you're on the Outlook homepage, look to the left-hand side and switch to Calendar. You'll know you're in the right place when you see your week or month view. At the top, select New Event. This opens the Event Details panel where we'll set everything up. Begin with a clear, descriptive title. A good title makes it easy to recognize the event at a glance. Next, pick the date and start and end times. Double check that the time zone is correct, especially if you travel or work with people in different regions. If your event runs the whole day, you can mark it as all day to keep your schedule tidy. Now make it recurring. Click Make Recurring to open the repeat options. Choose how often you want the event to repeat, commonly weekly for things like team check-ins or workouts. If you're repeating on specific days, select the days you want, such as Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. You can also set when the series stops by picking an end date or leaving it to continue indefinitely. This step is important because it controls how many entries appear in your calendar. When you're happy with the pattern, click Save to apply the recurrence to the event. Back in the Event Details panel, add a description. This is a great place to include context, notes, and any details you'll want to remember later. The description helps you keep everything in one place and makes it easy to onboard others if you share the event later. Finally, click Save to create the event on your calendar. You should now see the recurring series appear across the days you selected. If you ever need to make changes, open any instance in the series and Outlook will ask whether you want to edit just that one event or the entire series. Choose the option that fits your situation to keep your schedule accurate. And that's it. You've created a recurring event in Outlook Calendar, set the repetition exactly how you want it, and save the details so everything stays organized.